Stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico abound from this 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a bunk condo at Calypso Resort. Features include a large private balcony, wooden tile flooring, granite countertops, wet bar, split bedrooms, large laundry room, a top-of-the-line hot water heater and a brand new air conditioner system. The unit is being sold furnished, and the best part, it has never been on the rental program. One owner. Calypso Resort's exceptional amenities include 2 beachfront resort-style pools and a tiki bar, a dedicated beach, on-site fitness facilities, and an enclosed walkover to the parking garage. You're also a short walk to Pier Park and all its attractions, dining and shopping. Fantastic condo in a popular location. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.